Hi everyone, I'm Aditya Sridhar and I'm a JBIMS alumnus and I've scored a 99.99 percentile in the MBA CET. This video is for the people who are aiming to get into SIMSREE. This will be very inspiring for you and to anyone in any other MBA college, a tier 2 or a tier 3 MBA college or an MBA CET aspirant. This video is for all of them. बिकॉज काफी लोगों के दिमाग में ये रहता है कि ओनली आईआईएम्स या ओनली जेबीआईएमएस क्रिएट सीईओज बट दिस वीडियो इज गोइंग टू चेंज योर माइंड बिकॉज आज मैं ऐसे एग्जांपल्स आपको देने वाला हूँ फ्रॉम सिमसरी ऑफ पीपल हु हैव डन रियली रियली वेल इन देयर करियर्स एंड आर टॉप सीईओज मीडिया प्रोफेशनल कॉर्पोरेट लीडर्स एंड उनका जो जर्नी है और उनका जो सक्सेस है उनसे मैं ये प्रूव करना चाहता हूँ कि योर कॉलेज doesn't define your destiny and your college just helps you get the starting point, but what you do over the next 20-25 years of your career after that starting point is the most important thing. So let's get started. The first person is the person you see on the screen, who is Mr. Ashish Hemrajani, the founder and CEO of Book My Show. Book My Show completely changed how India watches movies and how India goes to events and concerts. Book My Show इंडिया का लार्जेस्ट एंटरटेनमेंट टिकटिंग कंपनी है एंड इट इज वर्थ thousands of crores. And from SIMSREE, which is a so-called tier 2 college, to such a large business, to being such a inspirational entrepreneur, his journey is just amazing. Next is Mr. Ashwin Yardi, who is the CEO of Capgemini India. Capgemini एक ग्लोबल टेक एंड कंसल्टिंग फर्म है एंड उनके इंडिया बिजनेस के सीईओ है मिस्टर अश्विन यार्डी हु has grown the company a lot and he leads over 150,000 employees in India. So just imagine someone from again so-called tier 2 college leading one of the biggest tech companies business in India is again really really amazing. Third on the list we have Mr. Neeraj Roy, who is the founder and MD of Hungama Digital. Hungama is again one of the pioneers of India's digital entertainment. बहुत ही पुराना डिजिटल कंटेंट प्लेटफॉर्म है, म्यूजिक प्लेटफॉर्म है, हंगामा का ओटीटी भी है. And yes, you might not believe it, but his journey started at SIMSREE. At number 4 in this alumni list is Mr. Harneet Singh, who is the CEO of Taco Bell India. It's again an international brand and an amazing, very fast growing QSR brand in India. The India business of Taco Bell is headed by Mr. Harneet Singh, another SIMSREE alumnus making a mark, but in a very, very different industry, food and restaurant industry, mein he is making a mark. So that's amazing to see कि from SIMSREE you can see the kind of industries people have gone into. मैंने मीडिया का आपको एक एग्जांपल दिया है, टेक एंड कंसल्टिंग का एग्जांपल दिया है, एंड नाउ आई हैव गिवन यू एन एग्जांपल ऑफ food and retail. The final person that we are going to talk about in this video is Mr. Avinash Kaul, who is the CEO of Network 18. Network 18 के channels आपने definitely consume किए होंगे, CNBC, CNN, Colors. So you can say that he is a major force in the Indian media and really successful again in the media industry and a SIMSREE graduate. So these are a few examples. I will keep making videos just like this. But अगर आपके मन में है या अगर किसी ने आपको बोला कि टीयर 2 कॉलेज से आप उतना आगे नहीं जा सकते हो, आप इतना अचीव नहीं कर सकते हो लाइफ में, या आप एक सीईओ नहीं बन सकते हो, then you have examples to show and examples to tell them. Because SIMSREE से I have just shown you that India's biggest tech companies, India's biggest food, restaurants, media houses, entertainment companies lead कर रहे हैं, so you can go till the top from wherever you are today. अगेन कॉलेज से आपको एक स्टार्ट मिलता है, जितना अच्छा कॉलेज आप जाओगे उतना अच्छा हेड स्टार्ट मिलेगा आपको, बट योर एम्बिशन, योर हार्ड वर्क, योर टैलेंट will decide how far you can go. Hope this video was inspiring, guys. If you are preparing hard for MBA CET and you want more mentorship, guidance, and coaching, then you can contact TTP because we are launching our new batch very, very soon. The number is in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.